Hi everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works and body care content. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I mean that so much. So in this video, I've got kind of like a two-part haul for you because I had purchased some products like the last week of semi-annual sale, but my niece was in town visiting me, so I really didn't film videos. We were just doing a lot, and yeah, just life got in the way. So I have some semi-annual sale items that I was able to get before everything sold out. Everything sold. That last week was just so dismal. Like, there wasn't hardly anything. But then I also have some of the new fall releases, and I got coupons. Yay! So they must have put me back on the list. I talked to customer service, so I did get some coupons featuring on the cover the new fragrance Honey Wildflower. And the coupons, there are two coupons in mine. You get a free wallflower and a 20% off your entire purchase, which I don't care about the wallflower. I mean, I have some plugs that I still occasionally. No, I really don't use those anymore because I always feel like they smell good for like the first few days and then they just sort of stop. And then you've got all this oil in the bottom that never diffuses, and yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm a Scentsy consultant. I get my home fragrance through having warmers strategically placed throughout my home, so the whole plug-in thing, not so much for me anymore. But so yeah, those are the coupons I got. Let me know if you got different coupons, because I would much rather have just the free item, the free body care item. So semi-annual sale. So I was able to pick up, before it was completely sold out, Denim and Daisies. I went back into my store the other day to get the fall items, and this one was nowhere to be found. But I was able to pick up a fragrance mist and a body cream. This one is Sweet Daisies, Sun-Washed Denim, and Summer Citrus. And I absolutely adore this one. And I'm really hoping that they add it to the signature lineup for next, or for any time. I love this one so much. And then I did pick up a berry waffle comb, but this was not part of the semi-annual sale. This was part of the buy three get two. But I love this one so much. It smells like Tricks or Fruity Pebbles. The scent notes are sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. And I love this. It smells like cereal, and it's delicious. And then I picked up a cherry limeade. Really wish that I had gotten more of this actually. I got the body cream. This is juicy red cherries, candied lime, and sparkling citrus soda. And this smells like a cherry limeade slushie. And Scentsy actually has a wax bar that was in my Scentsy club. I love it so much, but it smells exactly like this. It's perfect for spring and summer. Oh, it's so citrusy and just delicious. And then I picked up a cherry blossom in the new packaging, fine fragrance mist. This one's a classic. It's retired. Dewy watermelon, red plum, cherry blossom, sheer freesia, and soft sandalwood. And this is beautiful, and this is actually a gift for someone. That one's not for me. Then what else? Oh, strawberry soda. I picked up a strawberry soda fine fragrance mist because these items were 75% off. Can't beat that. This is fresh strawberries, bubbly seltzer, and crushed ice. And oh yeah, this smells like a strawberry soda. It's delicious. It's beautiful. You get that bubbly, effervescent note with the strawberries. Oh, so nice. And it's like a candied strawberry too. Like that one. Kaleidoscope body cream. Love the packaging, the iridescent. This one is iris, cedarwood, clean musk, and pink pepper. I thought the pink pepper was intriguing. And it does. It smells like a floral perfume, like with a musky note. And then that pepper just works. It's yummy. I like that one. And then, oh yeah, pink chiffon. I got pink chiffon in the new packaging. I actually like the old packaging better, but this is a retired fragrance. It's one of my favorites. Sparkling red pear, jasmine petals, and tiara flower, vanilla orchid, and chiffon musk. And this one is just like feminine and girly. My hair looks weird. Yeah. I went swimming the other day and yeah, kind of ruined my hairstyle, but it's all good. But this is like feminine, fruity, floral. I love pink chiffon. Love it. Oh, I almost forgot about this. I got another diamond ring antibacterial pocket back holder because this was actually an exchange because my diamond fell out of my other one. So they exchanged it, no problem. So I love this little diamond ring, big diamond ring, I should say. Okay, now let's talk about the fall fragrances. First, let's start off with a room spray. I picked up a room spray in Marshmallow Fireside. This is a classic. They also have this in the candle, but I got the room spray because this smells exactly like Scentsy's Bonfire Beach wax melt bar. Oh my gosh, it's still available until summer supplies run out, but it's like toasted marshmallows, white flint with like fresh ocean air. Oh, it smells so good. So yeah, I got that in a room spray. I was really, really happy to see that. And then I picked up a strawberry pound cake just in a mini. It has new packaging. But I love this one, you guys. I did a review on it that I'll link right up here if you want to watch that. But this just smells like strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake. It's wonderful. I love it. And I have a ton of this, so I really didn't need more, but I couldn't resist. And then I also picked up coconut candy apple. Now, I did get minis for this one as well, fine fragrance mist and the lotion. Because typically, I don't care for coconut scents. But, let's see. Okay, so this isn't bad, actually. I'm not getting that much coconut. It smells like a candied apple. Yeah, a sweet candied apple. I actually like that one. Okay, and then I picked up honey wildflower in the fine fragrance mist. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. So pretty. I love the clear liquid with the clear top and the flowers. So pretty. And then I also got a body lotion because my store had everything except for the body cream. They had the perfume, they had the shower gel. I think this comes in a scrub as well. I may have seen a moisturizing body wash, but the shelves were loaded. And but I didn't find the body cream because I do prefer the body creams over the body lotions. Sometimes the lotions can smell a bit waxy. But this one is crisp pear, fresh wildflowers, and sweet honey. Okay, that just smells fresh and sweet. The lotion. Let's try the spray. Okay, so like a sweet wildflower. It's pretty. Actually, yeah, I like that one. So I'll have to get a review up for you for that. And then one that I've actually already been using, pumpkin pecan waffles. So I'm going to go ahead and do a review for this one after I film this video. But maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. And it smells like a pumpkin waffle. It's yummy. Yes, so be looking out for the review for that one. And then I picked up Marigold cane sugar. I got a fine fragrance mist and a body cream. The body cream retails for $15.50 and so does the fine fragrance mist. This body cream is the ultimate hydration body cream with the hyaluronic acid 24-hour moisture. So, more price increases, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is like flowers, but it's like, you get the brightness from the citrus. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Kind of like a fall floral. And then, oh, this was from actually, okay, I got another champagne sprinkles in the fine fragrance mist because I really do enjoy this in the fine fragrance mist. This one is sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. Yeah, I really like this in the fine fragrance mist. I did not like it in the body cream though, but love it. This was one of my items from the semi-annual sale. So yeah, that's what I have for you for this video. Please comment and let me know what you think of these new fall releases. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.